Welcome back, everybody. We processed 8 chickens the other day, and well, now we're going to have some of it. We're getting quite a bit of feedback on what we can cook with this processed chickens. Well, what we're going to do, we're going to take a can of mushroom soup, put it in here on top of the chicken thighs. We got thighs and we're going to bake it. If we can get it out. So, since they're falling apart, what I'm going to do is just dump them in here. And just debone them. But I'm going to dump the meat. Look at that, it just falls apart. So, and they've already been de-skinned when we put them in here. So, I'm doing just taking all the, dump them in here. Because they ain't got to be cooked, because they've already been cooked. So basically, all we're doing is just warming them up. Cream of mushroom soup. So we're going to put it in there, layer it down on the bottom real good. And once we get this all done, okay, then take a can of cream of mushroom soup, whatever kind you prefer. We just happen to like Campbell's. Get a little spatula and just kind of put it out here. There we go. And smooth it around to where it covers it all up real good so it don't dry it out. Okay. And there we go. There's the oven. It's telling me it's ready to heat up. Just going to do it on 350. Let it cook maybe about 30 minutes till the cream of mushroom soup gets all done. And, well, there you have it. Cream of mushroom soup and the chicken thighs. And I'll let you know what it's like when it gets done. I'll probably cook it about 30 minutes. Just give it time to make sure it gets it all nice and done. I'll check it out as we go. And okay, it's been about 30 minutes or so, so the stuff is pretty well ready. Ugh. And I fixed a little mashed taters to go with it. To put it on here, so I need a spoon to get the taters, which will be right here. This will work well. That one would have worked for that, and that worked for that. So it don't. Anyhow, so here we got a big old helping of mashed taters to go in there, and get a scoop of this. We'll mix it up. It's a little juicy. The juice out of the meat and everything. So we just kind of take a heaping pool and put it in there and There was 4 thighs in this. And put a little salt and pepper on her, just like so. And this, my friends, is what we call good food. Stick to your ribs, taters, chicken, and cream of mushroom soup, all mixed together. You don't have to mix it together, but I like stuff like this mixed together. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Hope you have a good day. Talk to you all later, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for us. You know, this is, when you people do this for us, it helps us out, lets us know what we want to do as far as putting stuff out for you. Thank yous all, and have a better than average day.